Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope that everyone is having a fantastic day today. If this is your first time here, my name is Theo. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So for today's video, guys, we are actually going to be unboxing another advent calendar. This time we are going to be doing the Target 12 Days of Beauty advent calendar. Now this calendar does retail for $19.99 and it says it has a value of at least $65. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what's inside. But before we go ahead and do that, if you could take a quick second to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, I would definitely appreciate it. So now let's go ahead and jump into this advent calendar. This advent calendar was much nicer than I expected for $19.99. It comes in a beautiful hard box like this, and it's very, very pretty, very well put together. As you can see, it's a nice hard cardboard. Now, I did take the plastic off, but I haven't opened it up yet. I wanted to save that to do with you guys. So let's go ahead and open her up. Let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm going to try to tear the whole top off. Look at that. It says 12 Days of Beauty. And then it obviously has all the days listed there for us to pull out. So let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead and just dive right on in and get started and see what's in each day. Let's start, where's number one? Where's number one? There you are. All right, let's go ahead and dive into number one. Okay, and I'll show you where number one was. Right there, and I've already pulled it back. And in number one, we have AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. So it's an eye cream. I've never heard of the brand AHC, but it looks like it's a nice size. It's 1.01 fluid ounces. So, okay, this is a pretty nice size. And it says specially designed skincare regimen based on the Korean aesthetic clinic approach for all skin types. And it's a concentrated eye cream that can be used on the whole face for a youthful appearance and resilient skin, formulated with our microsome technology and our proprietary vitamin and peptide complex. So it sounds like it's kind of for anti-aging, which is right up my alley because I use any and everything I can get my hands on that'll help keep wrinkles away. All right, so that's a nice size, and I'm excited about that. Nice first product in the box. All right, so door number two, where is it, where is it, where is it? It is actually, I don't know if you can see that. It is right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and tear that out. Oops, I'm trying not to almost tore up number 9, getting this one open. Oh, okay. Some of these are kind of hard to pull out. And behind door number 2, we have Sexy Mother Pucker. And this is a lip plumping gloss. So it does, you can see that it's pink in the tube, and this is a lip plumping gloss. So it is a gloss. So I'm not sure if that is going to be the color or not. In reality, you know what, I really don't want to open that. I have some other lip plumping glosses and I don't really use them often, so I really don't want to open that if I'm not going to use it. So we'll go ahead and put that aside. All right, so that's number 2. And you know what I just realized? On the back of the box, it shows what's in the box and it gives you a description of everything in the box. I did not notice that until I was just moving that around. Okay, well let's move on. We just did number 2 to door number 3. Okay. And you know what? I'm probably just going to stop holding the box up. It makes it a lot easier and quicker. And I don't know if you really want to see where the doors are. All right, so door number 3 we have from, what's the name of this? Design Essentials, it looks like. That's what it looks like to me. It's kind of small there. It says almond and avocado detangling leave-in conditioner. So that's a leave-in conditioner for your hair. All right, that's a nice size. You can get a couple of uses out of that. All right, so we'll go ahead and put that aside. And we're going to move on to door number 4. And, oh, okay, all right. The only bad thing about this calendar, as I'm going to show you, is that the products are so nice and neatly tucked in there that I'm having a hard time getting them out and pulling them out. And I don't want to break my fingernails. So, all right, I got it. And behind door number 4, we have a coconut dry shampoo. Okay, great. This is a nice little travel size too. I love dry shampoo. I have not yet used it in my real hair, but they come in handy for my wigs. It gives it a little bit of volume and stuff like that. So I really do like these. All right. Door number 5. Let's see. Behind door number 5, we have Milani Highly Rated Mascara. It looks like, is that what that is? It's a mascara. Yes, there it is. All right, Highly Rated Mascara. So that's a nice little deluxe size mascara. Throw it right in your purse, take it along with you. So when you need those touch-ups, perfect. And Milani's a pretty good brand. I've used some other stuff from them. We are moving on to door number 6. And behind door number 6, we have, a body wash. Native Body Wash, sulfate-free and paraben-free, coconut and vanilla. Let me do a quick whiff for that. Oh, it smells pretty nice. It's a light scent though. This is perfect for travel size. Like we go away, I can just throw it right in my travel bag. Perfect. All right. So on to door number 7. I said I did say I wasn't going to show you, but I'll go ahead. Door number 7 is right there. They definitely did a good job at packing these things in here, I'm telling you, because I'm having a hard time pulling these little pups out. Oh my God, how cute is this? This is a native deodorant. It's coconut and vanilla, and it is so tiny and cute. That would be so cute to just throw in your purse for those days. And we know we've all had them when we walk out the house and have forgotten to put on some deodorant. Nothing like having a backup in your bag so you can have deodorant to touch up or put on whenever you need it. So this will be great. I'm going to throw that right in my pocketbook. So what number was that? That was number 7. So let's go on to number 8. The struggle is real with these guys. Door number 8. There it is. All right. What do we have behind door number 8? We have from Pixie, and it's a Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. So we got a little toner there. All right. That's kind of nice, a nice little size, but it's enough to get several uses out of. And what does it say for this toner? It says gently exfoliates and brightens, revealing healthy, glowing skin for all skin types. Use AM and PM or as needed after cleansing. Apply with a cotton pad, avoiding the eyes. All right, so that's a good little size. Like I said, let me see if it has any kind of smell to it. You know I always love the smell stuff. It has that little tab. And then it has a safety seal. I can't smell anything through the safety seal, so I'm not going to open that. But again, nice little deluxe size or sample size toner. And that was door number 8. So we're up to door number 9. It's so hard not to tear this whole thing up. All right, door number 9. What is this? Plumping Gold. It's a gold peel-off mask. There you go. All right, that's not bad. I do like masks, but this one, it feels like liquidy, so I guess this is the one that you put on. Simply cleanse your face with warm water, then apply the mask with your fingertips. Yeah, this is the one you put on, and I guess it dries and you peel it off. All right, so we got a face mask, and that was door number 9. Let's go on to door number 10. Okay. This is from Pantene, and it's a Cheat Day Dry Shampoo Foam. So it's another dry shampoo. Again, a nice little travel size, but this is a foam. I've never tried a foam dry shampoo. Actually, I've never seen a foam dry shampoo, so this should be interesting to try out and see how it works compared to a normal dry shampoo. So all right, I'm kind of excited about that. A new product to try, and hopefully I'll like it as much as I like the other one. Okay, again, a nice size to throw in my travel bag. Just carry it right along with me. So we're on day number 11. And we're almost done. So I got this poor little thing torn apart, and 11 is right there. So let's go ahead and hurry this up. Let's go ahead and see if I can get number 11 out here. And what's behind door number 11? Door number 11, a dry conditioner mist from Pantene. What is a dry conditioner mist? I'm not sure what that is. It says, shake can and hold 6 to 8 inches from dry hair. Apply from mid-length to ends. Waterless collection. I'm not sure what this is, how you use it. A conditioner mist, is that similar to a dry shampoo? Not real sure. Gonna have to look that up. Let me see if it says on the side of the box. No, it doesn't say, doesn't give a description of it. Doesn't tell you what it does. So I'll have to look that up afterwards. I'm assuming it's kind of similar to a dry shampoo. And then the last day we have is number 12. Uh-oh, we got two little things for number 12. And for number 3, for number 12, we got from Lumine brand Hydration Recharge Overnight Cream. So for all skin types. A Glow Reveal Moisturizer. And an Intense Hydration 24-Hour Moisturizer. So these look like little moisturizer sample packets there. So, okay, I guess it's nice to try out. All right. All right, guys, so that was everything that we got in the 12 Days of Beauty Target Advent Calendar. And again, this was $19.99 and says it's about a $65 value. Whether or not it's $65 worth of stuff, I don't know. For $19.99 and the chance to open an Advent Calendar and have a little fun, I do think it was worth the $19.99. I hope you guys enjoyed unboxing this with me. Thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today, guys. I truly do appreciate it. If you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like before you leave, I would appreciate that as well. And also, drop me a comment down below and let me know what you thought about this Advent calendar. And if there's any other Advent calendars out there that you'd like to see me unbox if I can get my hands on. Again, thank you, have a fabulous day, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.